So on this next question, I have a graph. And when I look at my graph, I see that my x-axis is brownies and my right axis is sugar. So I'm going to make a t-chart and I'm going to put my information. So if I am looking at this and my first point, and I'm going to make two t-charts actually. I'm going to make a brownie to sugar t-chart and I'm going to make a sugar to brownie t-chart. So I'm going to look at this point right here. So to get to that point, I would go to the right on brownies and then up a half. So that's a 1 to a 1/2 or 0.5 ratio. So if I went to 2, it would be 1. If I went to 3, it would be 1.5. If I went to 4, it would be 2, and so forth. So that's my first one. So brownies to sugar, it's going to be a 1 to a 1/2 ratio. Okay, so 0.5. All right, but let's talk about sugar to brownies. So if I went up to 1 sugar, it's going to make 2 batches of brownies. This should be a B right here. So if I did 1 sugar, it would make 2 batches of brownies. So if I make 1 batch of brownies, I need a 1/2 cup of sugar. To make 2 batches of brownies, I'm going to need 1 cup of sugar. So now I've got my unit rates. So now I'm going to be thinking about making an equation that relates the number of batches of brownies to the number of cups of sugar. So first equation, I want to know how much sugar I'm going to need if I make 1 batch of brownies. So the sugar that I need when I make 1 batch of brownies, so what happened to get from this side to this side was 0.5 times B. So let's see what that means. So if I made 2 batches of brownies, let's see what happens. 5/10 times 2 is 1. I'm going to need 1 cup of sugar. All right, let's look at the next one. Let's say I made 4 cups of brownies. 4 times a half is 2. Well, let's see. 4 and 2. Okay, so that works. So the equation for this chart is S equals 5/10 B. Oh, actually, it should be C, not S, because that's confusing because it looks like a 5. So we'll put a C right here. Okay, and we'll put a C right here. All right, so the next question says, what do we need to do? Do it in terms of C. So now we're going to say how many brownies can we make if we are using C. So what do you need to multiply 1 by to make it be 2? Well, that's 2. So 2 times 1 cup tells me how many brownies. So let's see. If I use 1 cup of sugar, I will make 2 batches of brownies. If I use 2 cups of sugar, I will make 4 batches of brownies. So let's see. 2 cups of sugar times 2, 4 batches of brownies. So these are my 2 equations. I used my unit rate. And then I said, what do I need to do to get to this? That's the answer. I need to multiply it by 5/10 times the 1. What do I need to do to get to this? The answer, I need to multiply by 2 times whatever was in that first column.